Understanding Low-Impact Travel, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of low-impact travel. This is a term that's becoming increasingly important in our global conversations about sustainability and tourism. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means and why it matters. Low-impact travel refers to a way of traveling that minimizes the negative impact on the environment and local communities. It's about being mindful of our travel choices and recognizing the ecological footprint we leave behind. This concept is not just about where we travel, but how we travel. It involves choosing more sustainable options, like using public transportation, staying in eco-friendly accommodations, and supporting local businesses. In this section, we'll explore the key elements that define low-impact travel. 1. Sustainable transportation. Opting for trains, buses, or biking over flying or driving. 2. Eco-friendly accommodations. Staying in places that prioritize environmental sustainability. 3. Supporting local economy. Choosing local products and services to benefit the community. 4. Respecting culture and environment. Understanding and respecting the local culture and natural environment. 5. Reducing waste. Minimizing waste by using reusable items and avoiding plastic. Low-impact travel is crucial for several reasons. Environmental preservation. It helps in reducing carbon emissions and conserving natural resources. Cultural respect. It promotes a deeper understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Sustainable tourism. Encourages a more responsible and sustainable tourism industry. Understanding and practicing low-impact travel is essential in today's world. It's not just about seeing new places but doing so in a way that respects and preserves those destinations for future generations. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to think about your travel choices. Safe and responsible travels, everyone.